Bitcoin's meteoric rise has ushered in a new era, reaching an astonishing $100,000. This unprecedented milestone has captured the attention of investors, financial analysts, and the general public alike. The journey to this point has been marked by volatility, speculation, and a growing acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. As Bitcoin continues to break new ground, it is redefining the landscape of digital currencies and challenging traditional financial systems. The digital gold rush has reached new heights. Enthusiasts and investors are more engaged than ever, using various platforms and applications to trade and manage their Bitcoin holdings. The mining community is also experiencing a surge, with operations expanding to meet the growing demand. Celebrations are in order as Bitcoin's value continues to climb, bringing newfound wealth to early adopters and savvy investors. Bitcoin, the world's leading cryptocurrency, has shattered expectations, defying skeptics and proving its resilience. Financial analysts are now revisiting their forecasts, acknowledging the cryptocurrency's potential to disrupt traditional markets. The rocket-like ascent of Bitcoin's price is a testament to its growing acceptance and the increasing trust placed in its decentralized nature. Soaring past the $100,000 mark, Bitcoin has set a new benchmark in the financial world. This achievement is not just a numerical milestone but a symbol of the cryptocurrency's potential to revolutionize the way we perceive and use money. The celebratory fireworks are a fitting tribute to this historic moment, marking the dawn of a new era in digital finance. This milestone signifies a seismic shift in the financial landscape. Traditional financial institutions are now taking Bitcoin seriously, integrating it into their portfolios and strategies. The headlines are dominated by Bitcoin's success, and the world is watching closely as this digital asset continues to make waves. Financial analysts are now more focused than ever on understanding the implications of Bitcoin's rise and its potential to reshape global markets. Investors are flocking to Bitcoin as a hedge against economic uncertainty and a store of value. In a world where traditional currencies are subject to inflation and geopolitical risks, Bitcoin offers a decentralized alternative that is gaining traction. People are increasingly using Bitcoin ATMs and mobile apps to buy, sell, and manage their holdings, reflecting the growing mainstream acceptance of this digital currency. This surge is not just a blip on the radar. The consistent upward movement of Bitcoin's price indicates a fundamental shift in market dynamics. Financial experts are now discussing the stability and long-term potential of Bitcoin, recognizing it as a viable asset class. The trend analysis shows a clear pattern of growth, suggesting that Bitcoin's rise is far from over. Bitcoin's ascent is driven by fundamental factors reshaping the global economy. From technological advancements to changing consumer behaviors, the factors contributing to Bitcoin's rise are multifaceted. Economists are now examining how Bitcoin fits into the broader economic landscape, considering its impact on global trade, investment, and monetary policy. From escalating geopolitical tensions to shifting monetary policies, the stars seem aligned for Bitcoin's continued rise. As traditional financial systems face increasing pressure, Bitcoin offers a resilient alternative that is not tied to any single government or economy. This independence makes it an attractive option for those looking to diversify their investments and protect their wealth. The stars seem aligned for Bitcoin's continued rise. Financial analysts are now making bold predictions about Bitcoin's future, with some forecasting even higher valuations. The ongoing upward trend in Bitcoin's price chart suggests that this digital currency is poised for further growth, driven by both market dynamics and increasing adoption. The world is witnessing the emergence of a new financial order. Bitcoin is at the forefront of this transformation, challenging traditional notions of money and finance. As global markets continue to evolve, Bitcoin's role is becoming increasingly significant, heralding a future where digital currencies play a central role in the global economy. The new financial order is here, and Bitcoin is leading the charge. The ongoing trade war between the United States and China has sent shockwaves through global markets. Investors are seeking safe havens for their wealth, and Bitcoin has emerged as an unlikely beneficiary. As tensions escalate, the appeal of a decentralized digital asset strengthens. Bitcoin operates independently of any government or central bank. This makes it immune to the political maneuvering that can disrupt traditional markets. In times of geopolitical uncertainty, this independence is invaluable. Investors are increasingly viewing Bitcoin as a hedge against global instability. The US Federal Reserve's decision to maintain interest rates has further fueled Bitcoin's rise. Low interest rates make traditional investments less attractive. This pushes investors towards riskier assets, including cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, with its limited supply and growing adoption, stands to benefit. The Fed's stance signals a commitment to accommodative monetary policy. This approach, while intended to stimulate economic growth, can also lead to inflation. Bitcoin, often seen as a hedge against inflation, becomes even more appealing in this environment. Bitcoin's surge is no longer driven solely by retail investors. Institutional investors, including hedge funds and asset management firms, are joining the fray. The launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs has opened the floodgates, allowing institutional money to flow into the cryptocurrency market. This influx of institutional capital brings with it legitimacy and stability. Major financial institutions are now recognizing Bitcoin's potential. They are incorporating it into their portfolios, further solidifying its position as a mainstream asset class. Section 5. Expert Opinions. Deciphering Bitcoin's surge with Kendrick and Burnett. Financial experts are taking note of Bitcoin's remarkable performance. Geoff Kendrick, head of FX and EM research at Standard Chartered Bank, notes the growing correlation between Bitcoin and gold. This suggests that investors are increasingly viewing Bitcoin as a digital safe haven asset. Joe Burnett, head analyst at Blockware Solutions, highlights the impact of institutional adoption. He points to the growing number of companies adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets as a sign of increasing mainstream acceptance. Section 6. Bitcoin price today, a snapshot of the cryptocurrency's dominance. In this section, we delve into the current state of Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency that has taken the financial world by storm. As of today, Bitcoin is trading at insert current Bitcoin price. This price point reflects the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market, where values can fluctuate significantly within short periods. This represents a insert percentage change increase over the past 24 hours. Such rapid changes are not uncommon in the world of digital currencies, where market sentiment and external factors can drive prices up or down swiftly, and a insert percentage change surge over the past year. This long-term growth highlights Bitcoin's resilience and its ability to recover from market downturns, showcasing its potential as a long-term investment. The cryptocurrency's market capitalization now stands at over insert current market cap, a testament to its widespread adoption and the trust it has garnered from investors worldwide, cementing its position as the dominant force in the digital asset space. Bitcoin's dominance is evident as it continues to overshadow other cryptocurrencies, maintaining a significant lead in market share. These numbers tell a story of remarkable growth. From its humble beginnings, Bitcoin has grown exponentially, driven by increasing acceptance and recognition from both retail and institutional investors. Bitcoin has defied skeptics and emerged as a force to be reckoned with in the financial world. Its journey from a niche digital currency to a mainstream financial asset is a testament to its transformative potential and the changing landscape of global finance. Section 7. The Future of Bitcoin. Predictions and Possibilities. As we delve into the potential future of Bitcoin, it's essential to consider both the optimistic projections and the challenges that lie ahead. Looking ahead, the future of Bitcoin remains bright. Many experts believe that Bitcoin is still in its early stages and has significant room for growth. The digital currency has already revolutionized the financial landscape, and its journey is far from over. Analysts predict that the cryptocurrency could reach new all-time highs in the coming months and years. These predictions are based on various factors, including technological advancements, increased adoption, and the growing acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. The increasing adoption by both retail and institutional investors, coupled with favorable macroeconomic conditions, suggests that Bitcoin's momentum is far from over. Retail investors are drawn to Bitcoin for its potential high returns, while institutional investors see it as a hedge against traditional financial market risks. This dual interest is driving demand and pushing Bitcoin into mainstream financial conversations. Regulatory uncertainty and the potential for market volatility continue to pose risks. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and this uncertainty can lead to significant price fluctuations. Additionally, the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market means that investors must be prepared for sudden and dramatic changes in Bitcoin's value. Nevertheless, Bitcoin has proven itself to be a resilient and adaptable asset class, capable of weathering storms and emerging stronger. Despite the challenges, Bitcoin's underlying technology and its decentralized nature provide it with a unique strength. As the market matures, Bitcoin's ability to adapt and thrive in various conditions will likely continue to attract investors and drive its growth. Section 8. Conclusion. Bitcoin's unstoppable momentum. Bitcoin's surge past $100,000 is a testament to its growing influence and appeal. Driven by geopolitical tensions, accommodative monetary policies, and institutional adoption, Bitcoin has captured the attention of investors worldwide. As the world grapples with economic uncertainty, Bitcoin offers a compelling alternative. Its decentralized nature, limited supply, and growing acceptance position it as a formidable force in the evolving financial landscape. While challenges remain, Bitcoin's momentum appears unstoppable. The digital gold rush is far from over,